In this video, we'll show you how to add a news article to your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then News. On the News page, click the Add News Article option from the Manage menu. Give your news a title in the title field and enter a teaser if you'd like to. This field is optional. Add further information about your news in the free text field. Enter a start and end date. These are the dates your news will be displayed between. You can add an image from your local device to go with your news. Again, this is optional. When you are done, click the Add News Article button. Your news items can then be viewed by selecting your PTA from the main navigation and then News, where the title, teaser and image will be shown, and the full article can be found by clicking on Read More. And that's it, you have now successfully added news to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.